Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify for digital products only. So for this, now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. What you can do is you're going to be simply creating another store if you have one already, since we are going to be running it for digital products only. Make sure that you make another copy of your store. So you can see we have online store showing up in here, and we can make another copy of this by, you can see we have our Shopify store in here that we can customize, and here we have our blog posts and all that stuff. Now we can also make a copy of this by clicking on three dots and click on duplicate, or if you do not want to make a copy of it, you can simply add another code directly. So that is going to be really easy. So you need to head over to your online store, or you need to incorporate or populate some of the digital products in here that are going to be showing on your store, and that's how easily you can make a store only for digital products. So that's pretty much it.